Before I give the demo of the web application MovieGo, I thought I'd give a little rundown of our motivation. So movies play a vital role in all our lives. As technology has changed the surface of society in the last 10 years, so has our patience. Nowadays, no individual ever wants to wait for more than a few minutes to get answers to any kind of question or kind of query. So right now, the process of going to the movies consists of the following steps. Find a movie, find a theater close to you that's showing the movie, find a showtime that works with your schedule, and buy tickets. Seem like four pretty simple steps, but it can be a long and tedious process, and that's what we want to eliminate through our implementation of the web app MovieGo. So MovieGo consolidates all the necessary steps of going to the movies in one web app. In terms of design, what technology we ended up using is the Ruby on Rails stack, where the primary design pattern was the MVC pattern, but we also used the state design pattern singleton as well as the flyweight pattern. Cool, let's start the demo. So this is our home page of our web app, MovieGo, the fastest way to go to the movies. Click on About. You will see a little information just about us and the three major points that we're trying to hit home: consolidation of necessary steps, real-time movie time tracker, and movie recommendation. Okay, cool. So if I click on, as you can see, the Go button is disabled, so we want the user to log in, and the way that a user is logging in is via the Facebook API. So if I click on login, it should redirect it. Cool, and it did. Has all my necessary information. Click login. We'll go back to the web app, and cool, we're logged in, and the Go button is enabled now. So if I click Go, now in this page, this is the movies page, and from here you can search for, you can find movies that are playing near you, and the way that the movies and show times are gathered in terms of information is through the Grace Note API. So so now there's three options. You can either use my location, which literally uses your location and finds movies near that exact locations. Recommendation, which also uses your location but spits out a recommendation. Or you can enter an address and it'll basically render or filter movies that are playing near that address. Okay, whew. Let's start off by let's use my location actually. Let's try that up first. Cool. Now the movies have shown up. Big tiles. These are all the movies that are playing near me. And the 3D logo on top of every movie represents a 3D version of that movie. So let's click one. Okay, let's click this one, this Harry Potter one. Okay, so once I click the movie, you can see that all of this is being displayed by the Google Maps API. On the right side of this web page is a panel which displays the name of the movie, the genre, the year it was released, um, how long the movie is, as well as like a little synopsis of what the movie is about. And on the map, you can see where you are, and there are two timers on the map right now. And these two timers represents two movie theaters that are playing this movie. So this timer represents the first timer represents the first location, and it says there's 25 minutes before the start of the show. And the travel time from my location to the movie theater is 6 minutes. Let's try the other one. And this movie, or the show time here, starts in 90 minutes. And as you can see, the travel time is a little farther away. So now if I want to get directions to the farther one, let's click on my get directions. As you can see on the map, there's a route that is highlighted. And on the side, there are directions that are given step by step in terms of how to get there. Now, if I want to buy tickets now, let's click on that. Okay, I guess Fandango is receiving a lot of traffic right now. For some reason, the website's down or whatever. But anyways, when you click buy tickets, it should redirect you to the Fandango page with the location that you selected as well as the movie that you selected. And from there, you're able to buy tickets for that movie and for a specific showtime. Okay, so if I zoom out now, if I zoom out, close that. Okay, now let's go back to movies and let's get a recommendation. So now the recommendation was will use your GPS location and spit out a movie recommendation. Cool. The movie that has been recommended is The Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, the Harry Potter J.K. Rowling movie, whatever. And same information. And now if I go back, let's try the last feature in terms of writing an address. So let's enter a zip code actually. So if I do 90024, and these are the movies being played right now. So if I click on arrival, if I click on arrival, it'll show the information of where it is. So there's one starting in 52 minutes at the IPIC Theaters in Westwood at 10:30, travel time 2 minutes. And there's another one starting at AMC Century City at 10:55, 77 minutes, and the travel time is 7 minutes. And that's basically our web application. And now if I sign out, it'll take us back to the home page. And there we go. And that's about it in terms of our MovieGo web application. Thank you so much for listening.